All right, so you're here with the head coach for Kingston College, Vassell Reynolds. Coach, talk to me about today's game. Sum it up for me.
I didn't thought we started well. It took us some while to settle, albeit in that scrappy affair in the early 25 minutes. We got two clear opportunities that we could have converted. It took us some while to settle on towards the last part of the first half. Second half we came back out and made a few adjustments, and it seemed to have paid off. We settled somewhat and get in the game, but albeit while against the run of play, Calabar scored that goal. But I thought we showed character, so a lot of character. We didn't panic. We maintained our composure. We got that important equalizer, and we took over the game from that. So I thought we played pretty well, especially in the second half, and I'm pretty satisfied with the point based on the run of play.
All right, coach, what was the reason for that slow start, and what did you say to the boys to get them up after that slow start, that slow 20 minutes?
First of all, I didn't like the intensity of the warm-up, and coming from the fact that they did not allow us to properly prepared for this game, really, in terms of on-pitch preparation. So I thought those two factors contributed to the way we started, but it's something that we just have to learn from.
All right, coach, and coming into this game, you know, Calabar needed to get something on the board. They're fighting with Idle for the second spot. Obviously, you never want to lose a game to Calabar. What did you say to these boys to get them mentally ready for this game?
First of all, we always say the next game is more important than the other one. And one of the things that we set our sights about this game is that we use in this game to measure how far we would have come from the pre-season. And I thought the boys, you know, showed that somewhat, especially in the second half. It shows that we are getting material, we are getting there, still have a lot in us. So we're pretty satisfied with the progress.
All right, coach, and finally, after Calabar scored their first goal, you know, how did you react to that? You know, the game was closing out, Calabar was sitting off and defending. How did you react to it tactically to get that equalizing goal?
For some reason, I wasn't overly concerned for some reason. But again, in the back of your mind, you wanted to see, you're wondering how will the team react to this, the fact that we have never conceded, and I thought they did that pretty well. We made a few adjustments on the field itself in switching around a few players, and I think one of those switches would have got the goal for us. So I thought we did pretty well, and we just keep them pushing until we got the all-important equalizer.
All right, coach. This is the final one. How do you feel about your team all round and your chances to do well in this year's Manning Cup, obviously in the latter parts?
Not getting ahead of ourselves. It's a position that we didn't maybe see us to be in at the start of the preliminary round. But then the improvement that we have shown over time, I think we deserve to be in this position. We just continue to push forward. There's still a lot of work to be done. We're not there yet in terms of qualification, so we just want to take the next game and get it out of the way and see where it takes us.
All right, coach, good game.